zinc fence bright. I close my eyes to see the light. Dust on my shoes, prayer in my chest. I tread the road with a quiet step. River water on the stone, wash away the flesh and bone. What the eye can never find lives inside the inner mind. Oh, I listen low to the still small glow. Oh, I follow slow where the true seed grows. In a vision, guide me home. In a vision, keep me whole. In a vision, burn so clear. Show me Jah is always near. In a vision, guide me home. In a vision, keep me whole. In a vision, lead the way. In a vision, through the day. Market crowd and iron sound. Babylon keeps spinning round, but I won't be pulled apart. Got a lion in my heart. Breadfruit leaf and mango tree teach the meaning, set me free. Every wound and every chain turns to wisdom in the rain. Oh, I listen low to the still small glow. Oh, I follow slow where the true seed grows. In a vision, guide me home. In a vision, keep me whole. In a vision, burn so clear. Show me Jah is always near. In a vision, guide me home. In a vision, keep me whole. In a vision, lead the way. In a vision, through the day. When the night comes down and the proud fall down, I will not be moved by the pale world news. I stand still and breathe till the blind can see. One love rising from the deepest sea. In a vision, guide me home. In a vision, keep me whole. In a vision, burn so clear. Show me Jah is always near. In a vision, guide me home. In a vision, keep me whole. In a vision, lead the way. In a vision, through the day. Moon high in the velvet sky, stars like diamonds, they just shine so bright. Ancient rhythm in my soul, it takes flight. Holy vibration feels so right. Holy vibration, deep in my bones. I sit still and I seek root. Water slow in the clay pot. Heartbeat soft, that's all I've got. Breadfruit shade on the red lane. Old man smile in the small rain. Every step on the rough ground. Keep my thoughts from the night sound. I lay down my restless ways. I breathe through the burning days. No more running, no more shame. I call the light by my name. Come soul, come soul, hold me come soul, make me whole, make me whole. Children laugh by the boat fence. Smoke rise thin from the incense. Mother hum by the stone wall. Love stay near when the shadows call. River turn by the cane field. Strong and slow but the wound healed. I was lost in the hard road. Now I feel the mercy grow. I lay down my restless ways. I breathe through the burning days. No more running, no more shame. I call the light by my name. Come soul, come soul, hold me oh. false prophets fill my head, but the rhythm of creation guides instead. Every single word that's said. Yeah, a new day dawning. Hear the sweet birds warning. Zion sky, Zion sky. Open wide, take me morning smoke on the hillside, red earth under my feet, old man by the breadfruit, talking softly to the youth. He said, watch out the river, cause the stone by and by. Truth don't need no hurry, truth just live and stay. Every seed know the season, every heart know the rain. If you want the answer, listen to the ground again. Ancient wisdom, lead me home. Ancient wisdom, lead me home. In the fire and the water, make my restless spirit whole. Drum on the edge of the nightfall, moon on the market tin, mother bombs the hurting with a song and a grin. Children dance in the doorway, their feet marking the land. let the cold wind blow. Still the small voice rising from the roots below. No gold can buy it, no fear can hold. What the elders carried is older than gold. Ancient wisdom, lead me home. Ancient wisdom, lead me home. In the fire and the water, make my restless spirit whole. Make my restless spirit whole. Under the tamarind tree I sit and breathe. Foot in the red earth, heart at ease. River moves steady through the cane row ground. I hear a blackbird sing, I turn around. No heavy chain can keep what the soul decree. I lift my head slow and let the troubles flow. Lion spirit, carry me. Lion spirit, set me free. Lion spirit, guide my feet. Lion spirit, make me clean, yeah, lion spirit, guide my feet. Sister pass water from a blue tin pail. Old man hum a prayer like a rolling sail. Dust on the road and the moon on game. Still I stand up firm in the burning rain. No dark words stay long when the chant is strong. I lift my hands high and let the fear die. Lion spirit, carry me. Lion spirit, set me free. Lion spirit, guide my feet. Lion spirit, make me clean. Yeah, lion the stillness after the drum. Lion spirit, carry me. Lion spirit, set me free. Lion spirit, guide my feet. Lion spirit, make me clean. Yeah, lion spirit, guide my feet. Morning mist on Red Hills Road. Footsteps light, but the load is cold. Pocket empty, heart still warm. One small prayer before the storm. I wash my face in the zinc pan. Lift my eyes to the promised land. If the world keep calling my name, I let it pass like summer rain. I've been walking through the fire, still I never lose the fire. When the judgment try to rise, I keep a humble heart inside. Peace of mind, peace of mind, peace of mind. Your light keep me aligned. Peace of mind, peace of mind, peace of mind, peace of mind. Shelter me and ease my mind. Peace of mind. Sister hang clothes on the wire fence. Children laugh with no defense. Old man rock by the tamarind tree. Says give thanks for the air you breathe. Drum and bass in the evening air. Every step a little prayer. When the hard road call my name, I stand firm, I don't complain. I've been walking through the fire, still I never lose the fire. When the judgment try to rise, I keep a humble heart inside. Peace of mind, peace of mind, peace of mind. Your light keep me aligned. Peace of mind, peace of mind, peace of mind, peace of mind. Shelter me and ease my mind. Peace of mind. Let the storm roll over, let the dark pass through. I am not alone here, my spirit know what to do. Peace of mind, peace of mind, peace of mind. of mind. Shelter me and ease my mind. Peace of mind. One love in my chest, one song in my breath. Peace of mind till I rest. promised land. Small fire burning by the doorway. Mama home a prayer for the day. Palm tree lean to the inland breeze. My heart moved gentle with the tree. I am not rushing, I am not broken. Your light rising through the open. Meditation dub, hold me now. Meditation dub, carry me down. Meditation dub, soul stay clear. Meditation dub, Jah is near. Drum and bass in a midnight yard. Old man sing with a spirit heart. Children laugh by the zinc fence line. Stars hang low like a bottle of wine. If the road get rough, I know healing water, it still can flow. Breadfruit roast and the kettle sing. One love moving through everything. I am not folding, I am not shaking. Jah word flowing in the waking. When the pressure dub, hold me now. When the pressure dub, carry me down. Meditation dub, soul stay clear. Meditation dub, Jah is near. When the pressure come, I turn within. Let the storm pass over my skin. No false crown, no borrowed pride. Only mercy at my side. morning mist on the yard, feet touch red earth slow. Kettle on the coal fire, and the little birds know. I carry my troubles like stones in my hand. Then I hear a still voice say, release what you can. Breathe in, breathe out, let the river run clean. Breathe in, breathe out, wash the dust from the dream. Dub reflection, hold my soul. Dub reflection, make me whole. Rise up, brother, rise up, sister, rise up. Dub reflection, carry me home. Old drum talk in the distance, from the hill to the bay. Grandmothers praying softly as the children play. Every cracked art can mend when the night turns thin, and the light in the doorway lets the mercy in. Breathe in, breathe out, let the river run clean. Breathe in, breathe out, wash the dust from the dream. Dub reflection, hold my soul. Dub reflection, make me whole. Rise up, brother, rise up, sister, rise up. Dub reflection, carry me home. When the pressure comes heavy and the road gets steep, I put my name